We're going to put a cover on the Element series of Bayliner boats. The Element has a one-piece cover, so one piece covers the entire inside of the boat. And the first thing you want to do is find the center, and I just happen to have it in my hand, but it's got a seam right down the middle, and you see where it kind of breaks away as where it covers the bow. So here we go. Find the center. Start snapping. But as we work our way around the boat, snapping as we go, we get to a point where we have to address one of the poles. The pole is it's one of these things, and it's adjustable up and down. It's got a snap in it, okay, and it mates up with the female snap in this patch. And you get the poles adjusted right, and the water should just wash off your boat as it rains. Okay, so we have these Velcro cutouts here, and we snap these on like so. Velcro kind of makes them somewhat weather tight. Something like that, you really can't do it wrong. Well, maybe you can. We've got both of the poles in, and you just keep snapping until you get all the snaps done. And the tighter you get it, the better it's going to work for you. As you can see, you got a nice slope for the water to drain off of should it rain.